Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add shape in CapCut to make your videos more visually interesting. Let's get started. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import the video or photo you want to add a shape to, or you can continue with an existing video. Next, to add a shape, go to the bottom menu and tap on Overlay. Then you select Add Overlay. You can choose a solid color, image or shape from your photo, or if you don't have one, you can create one with any design tool like Canva. Once the shape is added as an overlay, you can resize and position it by dragging the corners and moving it around the screen. This allows you to place the shape exactly where you want it. For a more creative effect, add the shape opacity or blend mode. Tap on the shape overlay and go to opacity to make it more transparent, or explore the blend option for different looks. And there you have it guys, you've added the shape to your video in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. See you next time. Bye bye. I hope